Hello guys, today we are going to start with clubbing of income and overview of set off and carry forward of losses. Incomes which can be clubbed in transferor account. Income from assets are transferred to another person without transfer of asset. Conditions. The taxpayer owns an asset. The ownership of asset is not transferred by him. The income from the asset transferred to any person are under the settlement or agreement. Income from revocable transfer of asset. Revocable transfer means any time the transferor can demand the asset or income arising from it. Conditions: at any time during the lifetime of transferee, the asset or income arising from it having revocable power of transferor. It includes direct or indirect power on whole or part of the assets. Retransfers must be in the same capacity in which the transfer were made. Income from converted property, meaning when individual member of HUF transfer the self-acquired property to the HUF without adequate consideration. Income from converted property to spouse after partition. Incomes which can be clubbed in transferor account. Income from asset transferred to son's wife. Conditions: the taxpayer is an individual. The asset is transferred to son's wife. The asset is transferred without adequate consideration. It includes transfer for immediate or deferred benefit to son's wife. Income to spouse through a third person. Condition: asset transfer to third party directly or indirectly without adequate consideration for immediate or deferred benefit to his or her spouse. In this case, third party means any person or any association. All the income arising directly or indirectly through such asset are included, whether accrued or received or has a beneficial interest. Exception: if individual creates life interest in the property in a favor of third party. In this case, the spouse cannot avail any benefit till the third person is alive. Income of spouse. Conditions: income to spouse from a concern in which such individual has substantial interest. Substantial interest means together or individually having at least 20% of voting power. Income to spouse from the asset transferred. Exception: income to spouse is on professional or technical base. Transfer of asset is on adequate consideration. Transfer of asset is before marriage or as a part of separation. Indirect income from transferred asset and transferor death. In all above cases, the income is not clubbed with the transferor. Income of minor clubbed into parent income. Conditions: income should be clubbed to the parent whose income is greater. Once the income of minor is included in the total income of any one parent, will continue to club with the same parent unless the assessing officer is satisfied by the cause of other parent. Exceptions: income earned by child from manual work which requires application of his or her skill, talent, knowledge, etc. Child suffering from any disability of nature specified in Section 80U. Exemption of Rs 1,500 per annum is available. Set-off of losses. Set-off of intra-head losses, which means setting off of the losses under the same head of income. Loss of speculative business. Speculative business means a transaction involving purchase and sales of the commodity without actual delivery of commodity. Example: online trading of stock. Long-term capital loss. Loss from business or profession. Loss from the activity of owning and maintaining racehorse. Loss from specified business. Set off of interhead losses. Interhead losses mean setting off of the losses under different head of income. Loss of non-speculative business, short-term capital loss, loss under the income of salary, loss under the income of house property, loss on income from other source. Loss from house property can be set off against the income from any other house property, maximum 2 lakh rupees per year. Loss from the business or profession can be set off against the income from any other business or profession. Loss of speculative business can be set off against only speculative business. Loss of non-speculative business can be set off against speculative business or any other business income. Short-term capital loss can be set off against the long-term capital gain or short-term capital gain. Long-term capital loss can be set off against only long-term capital gain. Loss from the activity of owning and maintaining racehorse can be set off against the income from the activity of owning and maintaining the racehorse. Carry forward of losses. Loss and set off and carry forward period. Loss from house property 8 years. Loss from business or profession 8 years. Loss from speculation business 4 years. Loss from short term capital 8 years. Long term capital loss 8 years. Loss from activity of owning and maintaining racehorse 4 years. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share my channel Extract 52.